Does your child cough mostly in the night or early morning? Parents often worry that their child has repeated infections, but many times it is only allergy related cough. Dust, cold air, and pet dander can trigger cough without fever. With proper diagnosis and preventive care, children can sleep better and stay active. So, a child who coughs often may need allergy care, not antibiotics.